How to get started on Airbnb or how to create an Airbnb account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can start or create an Airbnb account. I'll be showing you through the website here. I won't be able to show you on the application itself due to the security issues. I won't be able to screen record it. But the process itself is similar, whether on the app or on the browser. If you're on the browser, you can simply head into airbnb.com. Once on airbnb.com, you'll get an interface somewhat like this. You want to tap on the login option at the bottom of your screen. Once under login, you can say it says login or sign up. Now remember, whether you want to log in or whether you are new and you want to sign up. If you want to sign up using your phone number, you can simply enter in your phone number, tap on continue, enter in the code, the verification code that you'll get, and then you can go ahead and enter in other details and log in easily. Similarly, if you want to continue with Facebook, you can choose so, or Google or Apple or email. So it's pretty simple, right? So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.